So this video is going to be about a concrete pour that we did at my brother-in-law's house. This is the front of the house, and this is the main slab that was poured. And then the secondary slab on the side of the house was poured. Work first began with setting up the forms, getting the area prepped, leveling the dirt and the rocks underneath and compacting it down. After the forms were set, we had more work to do around the pipe. This is the side, setting the forms, prepping the dirt, leveling it down, making sure the forms are nice and straight and level. This probably took most of the effort on this project, setting up these forms and prepping before the concrete pour. This is the side, completely prepped. This is the front. We added more dirt and are compacting that dirt down. Make sure the pitch is correct. Pitch is away from the house. Here you could see the rebar has been laid down, a wire mesh has been laid down, some rocks to keep that off the ground, wire mesh and rebar tied together. Most of the rebar went next to the garage area where there will be cars parking on top or driving over. This area here is just patio, people walking on it. And let's start the pour. This is 8 a.m. on the day of the pour. We started on that left corner and worked our way over and then did the side slab. This video sure makes it look easy. Pouring concrete's not hard, but it's all about timing. You gotta be doing the right thing at the right time in order for it to come out nice. This is the side slab. There's actually 3 different slabs, 3 different levels that will be framed out and poured here. This is on the side of the house. An air conditioner will stand on one of these slabs. And here's the finished product. The day of the pour, a few hours after. You can see the concrete still green, starting to cure. We sprayed it down with water afterwards to keep it moist and let it cure properly. Also, sealer and a curer were used. And the side slab also still green, but looks nice and level, edged out. And this was the following day after the pour. You can see the concrete has turned in color. It's more grayish now as opposed to green. The lines have been cut. The joints have been cut in. That was done the evening of the pour. And the forms still have to come out. That's going to happen next. Carefully unscrew the forms and pull them out without chipping on the concrete. Next project on this house is to lay down the asphalt driveway. So the concrete goes as far as we poured it. From that point on, the driveway will be asphalt. And that should be a project that's going to be happening in the next few weeks. This is the side slab. Also, the cuts have been put in place. The forms need to get pulled out. And some final grading around the slabs. Then you could plant your grass seed. And that was our project. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos in the future.